बेटी भतीजा, वेलकम टू द समर कैंप। मैं जानती हूँ आप सबकी मम्मियाँ इस लॉकडाउन में किचन में बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर रही हैं, तो आज मैं अपने छोटे छोटे किचन किंग्स के लिए लाई हूँ एक प्यारी सी रेसिपी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
For making Marie Tower, we required 1 packet of Marie biscuit, 2 spoons of malai or cream, 3 spoons of chocolate syrup, 3 spoons of coconut powder, half cup of milk and gems for decoration. For making chocolate paste, we required 1 bowl and a spoon for mixing. Now, take 2 spoons of cream or malai. Now chocolate syrup. If you don't have chocolate syrup at home, you can use the melted chocolate. Take half of the chocolate syrup and keep rest half aside for last decoration. Now take 1 spoon of coconut powder and add some milk. Now mix it properly to make a fine paste. For this we required plate, biscuit, milk and chocolate paste. Now let's start. I am taking 1 biscuit and dipping it into the milk and putting it on the center of the plate. Now I will apply the chocolate paste on the biscuit nicely. Now I have to repeat the same process again and again to make a nice Marie Tower.
I hope you like the recipe, so try it, enjoy it, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.